I can't really say what gave me the morale, but I attempted the first Bantu knot ever. To think I've never made this hair. I mean, a professional making it for me, going to a stylist and all of that. And I attempted making it on my natural hair without any hair extension. Guys, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will judge to know if what I did was nice or it wasn't nice. This is the only Meso channel and I post hair videos, vlogs, and healthy lifestyle tips. Please make sure you subscribe so you'll be getting notified anytime I post on this channel. So at this point, I've actually layered this hair. I've made the first part. I don't really know what gave me this morale, but let's watch to the end. Please make sure you like this video. I know you enjoy it. You're already enjoying it. Please make sure you like and share this video so that people can see. You know, I like experimenting. I like checking out things. I've not been creative with my hair, but then this time around, I want to learn with you guys. If you know you don't want to learn, or you already know a whole lot of things, I don't even mind. You can correct me all the time. I'm actually on the process. I'm learning. So I'll be posting a lot of attempts. I'll be attempting a whole lot of hair tutorials. I'll watch a lot and then repeat them here and see how it goes. This place is for amateurs or professionals. Anybody can join here. So you can correct me, I'll take that, and then you can also come and learn with me. At this point, I've finished the first section. I don't know what you're saying, but guys, do not laugh too much. Even if you want to laugh, yeah, you are free to do so, but not too much. Then I started the second section. Do you know this virgin hair discomfort? Like the time you want to cut out, or let's say section out some parts of your natural hair, and then the thing is kind of so painful and all of that. One thing I do for my own hair is to just use my finger to detangle at any point. So you detangle with your fingers first before you use comb so that there will be lesser pain and more comfort. At this point, I was almost done, and I don't even know how to feel about this hair. But I was so proud of myself, anyways. I won't lie about that. I was so proud of myself because this is my first attempt. I was so proud. And then I sent a picture of it to my friend, and she said, "For your first attempt, you did very good." That was even one of the reasons I'm actually posting this. So, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think at the end of this video. Please share my video anytime you see it. I'm begging you. Like it, comment your thoughts. Just give me positive criticism, negative criticism, anyone you feel like, just drop it. But make sure you're doing it with love. It's from your heart. So I'll take it anyways. But please make sure you comment your mind. Tell me that thing that you think about my video. When I was done, I checked with the mirror, then I noticed that some of the knots were not laid properly and some were not in the same pattern as others. That is, they are not lying in the same line, something like being in the same line with others. So I remade some and then I reknotted some, and you know what I'm saying, to just make it look better. Though I wasn't looking for perfection because this is actually my first time making this hair and it's actually with my natural hair. So I wasn't looking for perfection, but sure, I can see one or two things that I will correct when next I'm doing this. I will use edge control to lay them so that they will be flatter. Then use these adjustable rubbers to knot the ends first before twisting them out. So these are the changes I saw and I'm going to try them next time. Natural hair is patient, and when you want to get something beautiful with your natural hair, you have to be very patient. You have to use products to soften the hair. You have to use comb, well spaced comb to comb the hair so you won't be feeling so much pain. So I tried as much as possible to make this hair better. I replated and did the rest of the things. I laid the edges. Guys, the front wasn't looking so perfect, but I am proud of myself that I made it to this point. So thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe. I'll be attempting a whole lot this period, so please make sure you subscribe so your opinions will count. Yes, I need those opinions, so make sure you subscribe. Please like this video, like and share this video to everyone that you know loves natural hair content, in fact any content at all. Please make sure you share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next. Yeah, I'm going to see you, right?